This is usually the first thing a frontier lab asks you about attention. The three learned projections, and how you answer it tells them right away whether you actually get this or you just memorized some letters. Okay, picture a little dating app, but for words. Every word in your sentence is on it, and each one is trying to figure out who else in the room is worth paying attention to. So each word writes a query. That is its little dating profile of what it is looking for right now. Like, I am a verb, I could really use a subject around here. And every word also puts out a key. That is the flip side, what it is advertising about itself. When one word's query lines up nicely with another word's key, that is a match, and that is a high attention score. Then there is the value, and this is the one people forget. The query and the key just decide who talks to who. The value is the actual message that gets passed along once they have matched. It is the content, kept totally separate from the matchmaking. And here is the neat part. All three come from the exact same word. You take the input embedding and push it through three different learned weight matrices, one for the queries, one for the keys, one for the values. Same word, three different jobs. Now here is where most people quietly lose the room. They say, oh yeah, Q, K, and V, and then they just stop. Three letters, but naming them is not the same as understanding them, and the interviewer can feel that gap instantly. The answer that moves you forward says what each one does. The queries and the keys decide where to attend. That is the scores. The values are the content that actually gets mixed together. That one extra sentence is the whole difference. So go wire up all three projections by hand and watch a word go find its match. Once you have built it, you will never confuse the value for the key again. The free notebook is in the bio.